Hello, welcome to a new video. How's it going? How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. This time, join me as I unbox this machine that my friends from Fonz in Guatemala sent me to open it for the first time. If you're thinking about purchasing one of these machines, then stay tuned and stick with me, please, because we want to see how it comes packaged. Just exactly like this. We're going to unbox it for the first time. Wow, I really need a lot of space for this. I think there's something here that we're definitely going to have to pull out. Let's do this here. And voila. Well, there it is. Look at this beauty. Wow. Let's take this off. Careful. There it is. Look at this huge box. Seriously. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's a bit heavy. And this one comes Olagran. Bring it closer, please. This machine comes with a massive 2 terabytes of storage, which is quite a lot. It features the powerful M5 Max chip, along with 48 gigabytes of unified RAM. It is the impressive 16-inch MacBook Pro, boasting an 18-core CPU and a high-performance 40-core GPU. This stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with advanced ProMotion technology features a resolution of 3456 by 2234 pixels, right? It is truly impressive, if you can believe it. Let's bring it a little closer, if it lets us. Here it comes. And we have 3 high-speed Thunderbolt 5 ports, a versatile USB-C port, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, a MagSafe 3 port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Size, the weight, 1.68 by 35.57, and it weighs 2.15 kilograms. Okay. It includes the 16-inch MacBook Pro, power adapter, and USB-C and MagSafe cable. It says MagSafe 3. 1 terabyte equals 1 trillion bytes. The actual capacity is slightly less. The weight varies depending on the configuration and manufacturing. And that's it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, let's make a little space here. Yeah, there we go. Alright, setting it up. There it is. I need all this space, folks. Let's take off the seal. Literally. Wow. Let's remove this other seal. There it is. Let's go. And then we lift this up, and here is the machine, folks. What a beast of a machine. With all the specs we just went over. Let's lift this up. Seriously, I don't want to mess it up. Where can I open it? I think right here. Yeah, it has to be right here, literally. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna have to ruin it. I can't believe it. All right, I'm lifting it up gently. Wow. I'm taking it out of here. There it is. Here it comes, folks. Oh, it's so pretty. Look. It's kind of a gray color. It's gorgeous. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let us take a look at what else is inside of this box. Here's the included power cable, and now it is a solid black color, just like it should be, right? This is magnetic, as you can see, right? So to take it out, we have to carefully lift it straight up, and here are the instructional manuals. Right? That's it. Right? Warranty cards. And that's all, yeah, there's nothing else. Meanwhile, over here, we're gonna find the following. Hold on, man. Here's your new charger. Wow, look at that. Look at the charger. And we're gonna unpack it too, because we're actually gonna use it. Seriously, guys. Let's take this off. There it comes. Ooh, the grind. Check this out, bro. There it is. We're all set with this. Let's take this off too. Yeah, it's actually pretty long, seriously. Yeah, the length is definitely a lot. It's over a meter. We've got 230. Yeah, like 2 meters 30, 2.30 centimeters. I mean, 2 meters 30 centimeters, approximately, according to my measurements, which my grandpa taught me. So if I'm looking at this correctly, it's roughly that long based on the way he showed me how to measure things. There you go. There it is. So, how beautiful. Wow. Let's see what's over here. It's completely made of aluminum. Seriously. And right here are the ports we mentioned earlier, the micro SD. Actually, I mean, it's just called an SD card slot, right? Then we have a USB-C adapter, an HDMI port, and absolutely nothing on this side. And over here, we've got the USB-C charger port, two of those ports actually, and the standard headphone jack. And now we're going to open it for the first time. Oh, wow, man. There, it started making a sound, just a little noise. What a beauty, man. And we're going to have to set it up. This is just an unboxing. Check this out. Wow, feels so nice. What an awesome machine, bros. Now I just have to set it up and get going. I'm going to lift it up so you can see the screen. What a huge screen, right?
If you would like to use Latin American Spanish, please go ahead and press the return key on your keyboard.
Ah, okay, got it. So that's the complete unboxing experience of this MacBook Pro, everyone watching today, with a massive 2 terabytes of storage. Damn, that's a whole lot of space. So I can edit and produce my videos and have them come out even better than before. Super, super pro. All right, I've finished unboxing this beautiful MacBook Pro. So thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe. Now you know what this awesome machine comes with. How you use it is really up to you because let's be honest, it's expensive. And on top of that, it depends on what you need it for, right? 2 terabytes, just imagine. That's amazing. So a big thank you to the folks at Fonz de Guatemala for letting me test this out, and let's go. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.